welcome back. Welcome back to your math class. So kids, in the last video we have completed our exercise 9.3 and up to question number 12. So today what we are going to do? Today we are going to do question number 13, 14 and 15. Today we are going to do question number 13, 14 and 15. Okay? So this is our exercise 9.3. Write down exercise and write down the date and then let's start. Okay. Okay. Exercise 9.3. Now see, exercise 9.3. We have done up to question number 11 and 12 and I have given you question 5, 6 and 8, 9, 10 to do it as your homework. Now in the last of the video we will discuss that questions also, but first of all let us do question number 13. Question number 13 is, Ramu bought 8 kg 100 grams apple for his shop. Shyamu bought 7 kg 890 gram apple for his shop. Who bought more apple and by how much? Okay, so what we have to do, there are two things that we have to do in this question. First, you have to compare the units and compare the weights. Two weights has been given and what you have to do, you have to compare them, and then what you have to do, then you have to do the question and rest of the thing. Now see, let us understand this with the help of an example. See, two guys are there. Two boys are there basically, not guys. Okay, he is Ramu and he is Shyamu. Ramu and Shyamu. Okay, these both are there. Now this boy. Wait a minute. Let me use the whole board to explain you. Okay, Mr. Ramu is here and Mr. Shyamu is here. Ramu and this is what? Mr. Shyamu. Okay, smile is good now? Yes. So Ramu and Shyamu, two boys are there and what happened? They both have bought apples. Both of them have bought apple. Now how much apple they both have bought? This guy, that means Mr. Ramu, he has bought, I am just taking the example, I am not taking number from the book. Okay, I am just taking the example. He has bought 8 kg 250 gram of apple. Ramu has bought 8 kg 250 gram of apple. This guy, Mr. Shyamu, he has bought Shyamu. What he has done? He has also bought apples, that is 7 kg 125 grams. Now tell me, who has bought more apple and by how much? Who has bought more apples and by how much? See, Ramu and Shyamu, he has got 8 kg 250 gram of apple, and this guy Shamu, he has bought 7 kg 125 gram of apple. Now what we have to do, we have to compare the values. दोनों को क्या करना है, हमने कंपेयर करना है. ठीक है, लेट अस कंपेयर. अब tell me a thing, 8 kg is greater or 7 kg is greater? Tell me, 8 kg is greater in value or this number 7 kg is greater in value? Yes, this 8 kg is greater in value, है ना? That means Ramu has got more apples. This guy Ramu, he has got more apples. Now the next question is by how much? कितना ज्यादा? खरीद तो लिया, but कितना ज्यादा खरीदा? तो I have told you while I was teaching you subtraction that whenever you see a word like how much more, how much less, what you have to do in those questions? You have to subtract. Now what we have to do in this question? We also have to subtract these values. Okay, so let us subtract. 8 kg 250 gram and 7 kg 125 gram. Let's do it here. Eight kg 250 gram and 7 kg 125 gram. Okay. 8 kg 250 gram and 7 kg 125 gram. What we have to do? We have to subtract. So let us subtract. Now, first place, here we are having 0. If it is not clear, let me erase Mr. Shamu. ठीक है, मुझे मिस्टर शामू को इरेज करना होगा थोड़ा सा. इनका तो चेहरा ही उतर गया. क्यों? क्योंकि इन्होंने कम एप्पल्स लिए थे. ठीक है भाई. तो 8 kg 250 gram and here we are having 7 kg 125 gram. What you have to do? Subtract करिए. करके बताइए आंसर मुझे. Subtraction तो सिखाया है ना मैम ने. Come on, do the subtraction and tell me the answer. Completed? Okay, let us start doing. चलो मैं समझाऊं how to do it. Okay, now this is 0 and 0 minus 5 you will get. That means we cannot subtract 5 from 0. So what we have to do? Now what we have to do? We have to subtract. We have to take a borrow. So this number 0 will take a borrow and will become 10 and this number will become 4. Now 10 minus 5 you will get 5. 4 minus 2 you will get 2. And 2 minus 1 you will get 1. Here 8 minus 1 you will get 1. So the answer is Ramu. ठीक है, what is our question? Ramu bought 1 kg 125 gram more apple than Shamu. है ना? Ramu bought 1 kg 125 gram more apple than Shamu. Okay. Now let us do our book question with statement. This question was the example question. Now next question we will do our book question, that too with statement. So let me erase Mr. Ramu and Shamu. Okay. So I'm going to write the question also. Ramu bought 8 kg 100 gram apple for his shop. Apple for his shop. Shamu bought 7 kg 890 gram. 7 kg 890 gram apples for his shop. Now next is, who bought more apples and by how much? Who bought more apples by how much? Now what we have to do first, we have to write the statement. ठीक है? Let us write the statement. Write down the statement, come on. Statement will be, quantity of apple, or let's keep it simple. Let us keep it simple. Apples bought by Ramu equals to, and then apple bought by Shamu equals to, so apple bought by Ramu equals to 8 kg 100 gram. And apple bought by Shamu equals to 7 kg 890 gram. Now do the subtraction. Come on. Do the subtraction. Do it yourself. Come on. Completed? Okay, let us do the subtraction. 0. So here you will get 0 minus 9. Okay, so this you cannot subtract 9 from 0. So it will take borrow from this number, like money sorry, from this number. So it will become 10. And again this number will become what? It has given, it will become 0. So 10 minus 9 you will get 1. This number will take a borrow from here and it will become 10. Now 10 minus 8 you will get 2. And 7 minus 7 you will get 0. So the answer is 210 gram. 210 gram. Okay. Come on. gram is what your answer. That means that Ramu got more apples. Okay. And by how much? By 210 gram more apple than Shamu. Ramu got 210 gram more apple than Shamu. Okay, moving toward the next question. Next question we are having exercise 9.3 and the next question we have is our question number 14. Okay, and in that question says a bag of rice weighs 5 kg 920 gram, another weighs 4 kg 85 gram. Find the difference in their weight. So it is clearly given in that question that you have to find the difference. This word difference has been clearly used in that question. Let's do it. A bag of rice weighs 5 kg 920 gram. 5 kg 920 gram. Another bag weight other bag weight another bag weighs 4 kg 85 gram. Find the difference in their weights. Difference in their weight. Okay, let's do it. No, I will not do it. You will do it first. Do it. Come on, come on. Let's do it. Completed. So what you have written as a statement? First statement is weight of first bag of rice equals to, and second statement will be weight of second bag of rice equals to. ठीक है. Weight of first bag of rice equals to 5 kg 920 gram. Weight of second bag of rice equals to, or another bag of rice equals to, kg 85 gram. 4 kg and 85 gram. Come on, do the subtraction. Come on, do it. Five kg 920 gram and 4 kg 85 gram. 5 kg 920 gram and 4 kg 85 gram. Come on. Okay, let's do it. Now, 10 minus 5, 5. Okay, fine. So, this number will take a borrow and will become 10. This number will become 1. तुम लोग ही ना करो ना. 8 के बाद काउंट करो कि 1 है. 8 के बाद कभी 1 नहीं आता. सो 1 8 के बाद क्या आएगा? 11 आएगा. 9 10 11 3. अब ये भाई साहब भी दिए हुए हैं बॉल सबको दुनिया भर को, तो ये हो जाएंगे 8. तो हो क्या गया? 835 ग्राम. नाउ दिस नंबर, इन्होंने किसी को कुछ भाव नहीं दिया, इन्होंने किसी को बिल्कुल भी बोरो नहीं दिया. ये कितने हैं? 5 kg. 5 minus 4 will give you 1. Now the answer for this question is 1 kg 835 gram. 1 kg 835 gram is the difference between these two bags. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to erase this question And then we will do question number 15 we will do. Anil cake weight, cake weight itna, whose cake it heavier and by how much. So this type of question, this we have to, we'll discuss it. Okay, first let me erase it. Okay, so next question is Anil's cake weight 8 kg 5 gram and Shalu's cake weight 980 gram. Whose cake is heavier and by how much? ठीक है? So I'm not going to write the question. I will start with the statement only. So here they are talking about two cakes. ठीक है, दो बच्चों के केक के बारे में बात हो रही है. अनिल का केक is 1 kg 5 gram only. See. You have to see that this is 5 gram or 500 gram or 50 gram. You need to differentiate between these three. You need to learn differentiation between these three. Don't get confused. Don't write 500 gram. This is only 5 gram. 5 gram. And Shalu ka cake is 980 gram. So it is also important that you write this 980 gram under the grams column. Okay? Write that 980 gram under the grams column only. ठीक है भाई. अनिल केक का वेट कितना है? अनिल के केक का वेट है 1 kg 5 ग्राम एंड शालू के केक का वेट है 980 ग्राम. सो हुज केक इज हैवियर? किसका केक क्या है? हैवियर है. लेट्स डू इट. वेट ऑफ अनिल्स केक weight of Anil's cake equals to and weight of Shalu. kg 005 gram 5 gram or 005 gram, these both are same. Shalu ka cake ka weight is 980 grams, so I will write it under the 9 grams column only. चलो differentiate it, difference करिए, subtract it. Okay, completed. So 5 you will get 5 here. 5 minus 0 will get 5. This is 10 and 10 minus 8 you will get 2. 9 minus 9 you will get 0 and 0 kg. That means answer is 25 gram. Answer for this question is 25 gram only. ठीक है? Again, this is 25 gram, not 250 gram. Don't get confused in these two things. ठीक है? Keep this in mind. 25 gram and 250 gram. So this is it for today, and we will meet in our next class. Bye bye.